In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landscape video in Canva with uploads, text, and a video overlay. First, open your browser and head to canva.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right for the Create or Create a Design button and click it. From the menu that appears, choose Video. This sets you up with Canva's video editor. To stay in the standard widescreen format that works for YouTube and most screens, pick the landscape video option, which is the 16:9 layout. This gives you a wide canvas and a timeline at the bottom where you'll build your project. Next, bring in your footage. On the left sidebar, click Uploads, then click the Upload button. Select the video files you want from your computer and let Canva process them. You'll see thumbnails appear in the Uploads panel as each file finishes. When your main video is ready, drag it directly onto the timeline at the bottom. You can also drop it into the canvas in the center. Canva will place it on the timeline for you. This becomes the base layer of your project. Now let's add text on top of the video. Click Text in the left panel, then choose Add a text box. A text box will appear over your video in the canvas. Click into it to type your title, caption, or label. You can drag the text to position it exactly where you want, top, bottom, or centered, and use the corner handles to resize it. The text element also shows up as its own bar in the timeline above your video, making it easy to see when it appears. If you need the text to last longer or shorter, drag the ends of that bar to adjust its timing so it matches the moment you want it to show. To overlay another video, follow the same idea. Grab a second video from your Uploads panel and drag it onto the canvas. Canva will place it above the main video in the timeline, creating a picture-in-picture effect. Resize the overlay by dragging the corners and move it to a corner or area that doesn't block important content. If the overlay is too long or too short, adjust its length by dragging its edges in the timeline so it lines up perfectly with your main footage. This layering gives you a clean, professional look for comparisons, reactions, or cutaways without replacing the primary video. And that's it. You've opened Canva, created a landscape video project, uploaded your media, placed your main clip, added a text overlay, and layered a second video on top with simple, precise adjustments.